We're putting my car in a dyno, baby. I'm so excited. So if you guys don't know, in the last video, we put my car in E85. But the reason why this is such a big deal that we're putting the car on the dyno is because two things. My car is not stock. There's a lot of mods that are on it that make it breathe a little better. Second, I have a bet going on with my buddy Jordan. If you don't know, his name is Monster Motoring, makes a ton of Assetto Corsa content, but he also runs an exhaust company called Symphonic Systems. And he made a bet, if I can make 10 or more horsepower by just adding the flex fuel kit, he will personally fly out and build the exhaust absolutely free. So there's a lot riding on this right now. Let's go head over to the Mad Science Lab and let's go put my car on the dyno.
What do we think it's gonna make as of right now? We know it has a couple mods. It has the aftermarket intake and intake manifold. What do we think it's gonna make off of pump right now? And we know it has a tune on it.
218 to the wheel.
218?
230.
230?
I'm
okay.
optimistic.
Okay, so me and Caden both think 230 as of right now. I'm happy with that. That's a consistent car right there.
There you go. Now we have repeatable numbers like 10 horsepower.
This feels like a 220 car, 100%. So what we need to make, so for everyone at home, we need to get 232 or higher.
Free exhaust?
Yeah, for a free exhaust.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Yes! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about!
All right, first pull on me.
Oh my God!
Let's go! I'm shaking.
You are out of injector though, my friend. Yeah. Right there at the end. So
That's all that matters. We got our number.
We got our number. Let's go.
an exhaust.
I get an exhaust, baby. Oh man.
Well, let's let it cool after the pull for a second. We'll do another pull or two. And then I would just say be done at 6,500 just because.
Okay, so right at 7 is when it's okay. Cool.
So, well over a decade. This is what we see every car that's been on this dyno. That's what we see. We did not change the tune at all. What did we do to your car?
Not
All
literally.
we did today was put E85 in it. Nothing else.
Yeah.
We didn't move the car off the dyno. The straps are the same. Everything's the same. It's actually probably a little hotter in here than when we did the gas pulls because that was an hour ago. So, ta-da! We didn't even touch. All I did is hit run. That's it. This is all of our runs right here. This is literally all we did is put ethanol in the car and do another pull. And I'll tell you a couple things about this graph. One of them is we know his injectors are not big enough, but we can get to that later. So if we look at our numbers here, it made 221 and 222, and then 236 and 236. No tuning, nothing, just throwing ethanol in. You can see the power and torque across the entire range. So one of the things that Ethan brought up, that this wasp is trying to show us right now. I'll just grab my keyboard and move. All right. So the E85 makes more power everywhere. I know our display is kind of slightly in the way here, but literally it is making more torque on the hit. It is making more horsepower on the hit. If we come down here to our run info, our average power, the average horsepower and average torque across the entire range is significantly higher. These are all of the numbers averaged together. But it's not just peak numbers. That's what a lot of people don't understand. Right here, we made 16 more horsepower peak, and we made 18 more foot-pounds peak. It's not just about making horsepower in one spot. With E85, you're making power everywhere. And that's why I say it's the best mod you can do to your vehicle. Obviously, the ProFlex Commander, we just plugged this thing in and sent it. There's your results.
I cannot express to you how exciting it was to see that number finally pull up and to see that it made 14 more horsepower. That was awesome. I loved every second of it. I was super, super happy and excited about it. And not just because I'm getting a free exhaust out of this, but because, you know, this is bigger than just winning an exhaust. This was more so to showcase to people like this is a I would consider a fairly stock car, and we made more power. I didn't change the injectors. I didn't change the fuel pump. I just installed the kit and went. So, and I think that's kind of the takeaway from this, is that it is a bolt-on mod that anybody can use on their vehicle. If you guys are interested in getting a kit from Advanced Fuel Dynamics, make sure to check out advancedfueldynamics.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Hit us up on our support line, and we'll be able to answer any questions that you guys may have. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching the video. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.